Hey, I'm Muskan. Quick update on the AI vendor tracker. This week I caught it scoring the wrong companies and confidently inventing numbers. Here's what broke and how I fixed it. First bug, 3 companies are named Cohere, the AI vendor, a health insurer, and a radio maker. Our collector filed all 3 under the AI vendor. A radio contract got counted as AI funding, even though the article called it unrelated to the AI startup. Second bug, papers were matched by keyword, not author. Anthropic pulled in physics papers on the Anthropic Principle. Coherence counted as Cohere. 85% of our papers were the wrong company. The fix is one idea. Check identity before you trust a signal. Before anything's saved, we reject the lookalikes, match papers on title and abstract, and make the classifier confirm the company first. Then I cleaned house. 782 bad records gone, 45% of the database. Cohere's score now honestly reads no data, not a made-up 75. The lesson I'm keeping. A number is only as trustworthy as the entity behind it. Verify who a signal is about before you let it move a score. Your turn. Take one signal that moved a vendor's score and ask, is this the right company, and what lookalike could it be? If you can't rule those out, don't let it count. The wrong Cohere. More fixes next week. Humanitarians AI.